Google biggest campus. Google begins building its largest campus outside U.S., headquarters in Hyderabad, India. Copper wires could deliver high-speed internet, and also it is affordable and sustainable, where fiber is expensive, research says. According to WHO, at least 10,000 virus species have the capacity to infect humans, but at present, the vast majority are circulating silently in wild mammals. However, climate and land use change will produce novel opportunities for viral sharing among previously geographically isolated species of wildlife. 6,000 miles journey. This whale swims over 6,000 miles from South Africa to South America. A gray whale, dubbed Wally by the marine biologists tracking it, is lost in the Mediterranean, far away from its home in the Pacific. Hyperloop train. Hyperloop is planning a very high-speed transportation system. This will work with the help of vacuum tubes. This will reduce 2 hours drive into 12 minutes ride. Hyperloop, with giant vacuum-like tubes and an air-bearing suspension system, could ferry riders from Los Angeles to San Francisco in 35 minutes. That's a roughly 350-mile trip, meaning the futuristic capsules would be zipping along at almost 700 miles per hour, faster than most commercial airliners and slightly less than the speed of sound. New AI algorithms can predict whether a patient will develop pancreatic cancer years before an official diagnosis, or so this research suggests. Tens of thousands of people in the U.S. are diagnosed with pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma, the most common type of pancreatic cancer every year. Less than 10% of patients live more than 5 years after diagnosis. Tata Motors introduced new Avenia, an electric car based on pure EV architecture. MIT researchers have developed a portable desalination unit, weighing less than 10 kilograms, that can remove particles and salts to generate drinking water. The suitcase-sized device requires less power to operate than a cell phone charger. This can also be driven by a small portable solar panel, which can be purchased online for around $50. It will automatically generate drinking water that exceeds World Health Organization quality standards. The technology is packaged into a user-friendly device that runs with the push of one button. India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman invites the U.S. semiconductor companies to make chips in India. Chiefs of several tech companies have reacted positively, including AMD's CFO Devinder Kumar, WD's SVP Dan Steer, Micron Tech's Executive VP, Manish Bhatia, as well as Uber CEO Darius Rashahi, among others. A typical computer chip is the size of a fingernail. Cerebrus's is the size of a dinner plate. It is the largest computer chip in the world. Even competitors find this feature impressive. Company is giving unlimited leave. Company named ActionStep is giving employees unlimited leave, so they can come back and do their best work. A pleasingly rectangular iceberg that was formed completely naturally, known as a tabular iceberg. These are types of renewable energy. First, solar energy. Second is wind energy. Third is hydro energy. Fourth, tidal energy. Fifth, thermal energy, and sixth is biomass energy. Please, subscribe our channel, for more informational facts and news.